G'day folks, it's Dennis here, back with the Land Cruiser, and look what's arrived from Perth Diesel Performance. You beauty. It's the extra fuel filter kit that goes in here. I'm just taking out the steering fluid little tub and the diff breather kit, and I've also got for over here the catch can, but I've got the big problem. I've got to shift my fuse container here over to here somewhere, and then my circuit breakers which run, I'll show you the gauges, the pillar pod gauges. I've actually got 6 gauges in 2 here. I've turned this on, I'll show you. So I've got, you can see that. I've got the oil pressure and oil temperature, and this here is my internal car temperature. The one down here is my boost pressure. Oh, that's my camera up there I've put in, by the way, talking. Starting normal recording. And anyway, this is my exhaust gas boost and temperature, and external temperature outside the car temperature, which is measured just in front of the radiator. So yeah, and that's obviously my down here my scan gauge, but that's another story. Yeah, so I'll show you how we install it. Let's go. Yeah, okay, so basically I've taken out these 2 bolts here, and there's another one down in there, which down in there you've got to take out. This thing should come off like that, and I've got to open this box, so hang on, bear with me. Go in the car, and this is what I prepared earlier. Oh, where'd it go? May have been put up here. Where did it go? Okay, so I've got my knife. She's a beauty. Actually a Green River knife, if you know knives. So we'll open this box up and get the goodies out. So I've opened the box. Get this box out there. Right, what do we got? And in there, there's another box. High performance diesel, this looks like it. Hang on, bear in there with me. Hold it, I can't. I'm trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. So we'll see what's in the box. See what's in the box. Aha, the catch can. Right, so that's one. Now this one. Right then, that'll help. Here we go. Alright, bracket we need. Awesome stuff. Alright. Yes, here we go. I'll just have to put the phone down, hang on a second. Got this bracket in from Perth Diesel Performance. These are for the diff breathers, gearbox breathers, etc. Had to mount this little fuse box there, power outlet to it, because it was mounted here in this bolt hole here. You can see there. So that didn't fit, so I had to fit it there. Ran the hoses, as you can see, down around the back there, behind the brake booster along at the back, and go around this side from the filter into the filter here and out of this filter. This is a 7 micron, that's a 5. So we're getting good clean fuel into the motor now, and I'm about to fire her up and see how we go. So let's go. This stuff. Just gonna check for leaks. Again, so what these gauges are again. Engine oil pressure, engine oil temperature. That red and bell is oil pressure, low oil pressure alarm, and it obviously changes colour from green to red. And the lower number there is the inside car temperature. The outside car temperature is down here, 20. This is my boost PSI for the turbo engine air pressure, and that's my dash camera. And this one here, exhaust gas temp. So it goes between 350, 450. I've never really seen it as 450, but I'm pulling a heavy weight coming up. So yeah, let's see how I go. I'm trying again. I just had to bleed a bit more fuel through it. Now we're away again. Let's have a look. Okay, I'll tell you a bit about this. Hang on. So this is my RPM, 22 degrees Celsius intake air temperature, 22 degrees coolant or Celsius water temperature, and 39 load on demand is the throttle position for the engine. So let's go. Let's see what's going on at the front. That's good. No leaks. Good, it's working. Excellent. No leaks. G'day folks, it's Dennis here. Just showing you where my breather is located for my diff, rear diff. This is the right hand side rear wheel here. That's the breather hose there that I've got to remove so that I can fit my higher up breather for water crossings in the engine bay that are supplied by Perth Diesel Performance. So I'll get this out and run a hose all the way to the engine bay. Let's go. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you, that's the little bung, or the adapter that has to go into the diff housing for the tube to go into. Sort of like similar to a truck airline fitting, but that's what will be my new breather. So it's not fully in yet, I've just got an O-ring to seal it, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. G'day folks, it's Dennis here, just showing you how I've run the, see I've given myself plenty of room there for the suspension to go up and down. and down the track I'm going to get a 3-inch lift, so it's going to drop a fair bit. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you. I've run it along the brake line here. I'll have to put a cable tie there, but anyway, it goes along. I haven't cut any of the cable tie things off yet, but I'll show you. In here, I've run it, basically connected it back up with the fuel lines that run along here, and then down and around and up and in. First one here. Done. Place the front diff breather as well. You can see that there, and that little line goes along, follows the brake line on the back of the diff, front diff, and then up where the brake booster is to this location here. I'll show you. Yeah, front diff, and this one's a rear diff. So that's on. As for moving the circuit breakers and the fuse box to over here somewhere, I've decided the whole thing is on hold until I get a winch, but to get a winch I have to get a new bar, because over here I've hit a kangaroo, pushed this bar back, like I've got about an inch and a half from the tyre. So I can't get new tyres until I get a new bar. I don't want to get a new bar until I get a new winch. And that'll include side steps and skirts for the front here. Then new tyres, then new suspension. So as well as that, the PDM module goes in here at the front. So then I have the catch can here, the BC DC charger here, the second battery, different housing for that there. Then I can put the bigger intercooler on, tune it with new tyres on and suspension, and interior, obviously I'll be able to install that overhead console, because I've changed the bar. I don't want to put a two-way antenna on that bar. I want to put on a new bar. So there's that. So a bit's going on here. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm pretty happy with it.